Hi there, this is Christy, and in this video, I wanted to show you some of the PayPal notifications that I'm getting from selling printables that are already done for you, planners that are done for you. You may not be aware, but people will buy a printable and they will print it at home, or they'll run up the street to the local pharmacy, Walgreens, CVS, and they'll print it out there, and they come out really, really nice. So when I discovered that there was a huge audience on Pinterest, let me go in and show you. I'm actually up to 1 million impressions for the first time ever because I found out that making printables is huge. I've got 798,000 monthly viewers. I tried a little paid traffic. Didn't really like paying for the traffic because it's cold traffic, and it wasn't converting well. So I thought I need to find an organic way to to do this. So I have found it, and I am teaching it. I mean, here's an example. I made this pen probably about 20 minutes ago before I ate lunch, and it's already up to 3,500 views. 3,500 views. And so I discovered that there are certain tips and tricks to promoting planners and printables that you don't really even have to make them. Okay. You can actually do this without creating them or shipping them or being an artist, because my idea of being an artist is a stick figure. But I think that might be the reason why I love promoting other people's printables and planners, and or buying them. And it is so cool. And I can show you. You want to look at this webinar that Brandon and I did, where I describe print by customer and how all this works. Okay, so make sure you sign up for the free webinar, and you'll get a free gift, a free calendar, printable calendar, just by listening and staying to the end. It didn't just email me, and I'll send it to you. But these are some of the commissions that I've been getting from printables that are done for you. Okay. You may or may not have known it's a thing, but print by customer is a thing. People love to download a printable and print it, or have their local print shop do it for them. I mean, I made a printable called a Lady Boss printable, and I went to CVS and they printed it out in color because, number one, our printer is wonderful, but it's only black and white. And two, I wanted it glossy so I could frame it. And that's what I did. And I was so impressed by the way it turned out. A glossy print, and I made it, but you don't even have to make it. There are artists who will, do it for you without you having to hire them. So you may not be aware of that. And that's what this webinar is all about. So go find out how you can make a side hustle. It's a case study for me, how, I'm making income with printables that I'm not even creating. Okay. So click on the link below, sign up for the free workshop, and let me know if you have any questions. All right. This is Christy, and I will talk to you soon. Bye now.